And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you a quick way to create a text color animation in Premiere Pro. I've got a black background here and I use the type tool. Just left click and then you can type in some text, for example text color animation. You can put that on a background, you can put that on footage, on an image, whatever. I'll adjust the size and now go to effect controls and you see the text up here. Use the drop down and you can change the color with the fill. Let me make that white. Now I hold Alt and I copy this text block, I reposition that and I readjust the background size. Let me select the second one and I change the color maybe to green. So you can see that I've got a white one on the left and on the right a green one. Now go to effects and we want to have the cross dissolve selected. For me it's the default. I'll type it in and then drag and drop it on the transition between the two text blocks. Up here under alignment you can change where it is aligned. I want to have it centered. And if I run the clip now, you can see that I have this gradual text animation created thanks to the cross dissolve. And this is how easy you can create a text color animation in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.